Step 1. Compose new email. Step 2. Enable email tracking function and hit send. Step 3. Once the email has been opened, you'll see the check marks turn green. Step 4. Verify by clicking on the check marks on the top right corner. You can visit our support page on our website support.getmailbird.com to find more information on how to enable and easily manage all of Mailbird's handy features.